Okay, guys, when you're backing out, you got to look over your shoulder. This is an angle parking spot. It's really dangerous. So I'm looking over my shoulder. I see a white truck. So this is very dangerous. You have to really look over your shoulder. So I need all of you to remember this. And now I'm going back slow. And then I'm backing up and I turn my wheel to the right. The rear goes to the right. The front swings out. Okay, we're going to take you in this little, we're going to take you to this little downtown area. So intersections are dangerous. I have the right of way. So I'm looking at them and kind of move around as I look. I'm scanning the intersection. Don't hug the right. Cars will back into it. So I need all of you to remember this. Stay by the double yellow. Why? You have room in case people come out. I'm scanning. We have a bar over here. People are lit. I'm not going to run the light. Too dangerous. Kind of look at the bar and look over here. Okay, so be prepared. I'm just chilling. I'm relaxing. You know, they got their little food. People will run lights. We're by the water. People are not paying attention. So you have to be a defensive driver and kind of relax and take your energy down a little bit. You know, kind of be in a calm, chilled, relaxing state. And I'm just looking, even though when the light turns green, I'm still looking left and right and trying to be as patient as possible. So I look left, look right, and then I'm gonna move forward. This is highly dangerous. People are at the beach, they're walking out, people getting chocolate, candy, shoplifting, shopping, and I'm looking, kind of pan a little bit too. I look left, so, you know, kind of pan to the left, and then pan to the right. There's a striped area here. Don't drive over the candy cane. And I'm coming forward. Make a 90-degree turn, and don't let the wheel spin. See what happens to the car? I'm out of the lane. Don't do that. So they're looking at me like, oh my God. So I'm looking, I'm scanning, and I'm going slow. I know he's there. I'm not trying to show disrespect. I'm gonna come up to the stop sign, blinkers on before the stop sign, because you got a lot of pedestrians here. And I'm gonna squeeze my brake. They don't have a blinker on, so I guess they're going right or left. I'm confused, but I'm gonna go up and make my right turn because I have my blinker on. And then I'm turning, and then I'm turned out, hand over hand out. I'm gonna go down to the stop sign, go around again. Blinkers on early. Probably a little bit too early. People might have thought I was going in there. This is a partially controlled intersection, so I have to stop. I look left, see, cars. I'm gonna move forward to make sure it's clear. There's a car down there. I have a gap. I'm gonna go ahead and turn, and then I turn. Ooh, there's a naked man. No, it's a mannequin. All right, I'm gonna make a right turn again. I see the mail truck. I have the right of way. I'm looking. And I'm watching these pedestrians because people are drinking. There's nothing wrong with that, but you gotta look. This is the crosswalk. I stop. I can turn on red, so I'm gonna look. It's really dangerous here. I also see the shadow across the street. Why I play video games and I'm better than you. Anyway, I'm gonna move forward. I go up to the edge. I'm not going wide in case I overshoot. So I'm looking. I got a green, and then I turn. Don't cut it short, you'll hit the car. I see the people walking, so I'm gonna drive. I'm still on my side of the road. I'm just taking my time. Blinkers on. Don't cross the candy cane. I know you see the candy cane, don't go over it. Stop here. I look, I check. I'm gonna move forward. Oh, they got tickets. And then I turn. Don't turn fast. What happens? I almost hit the curb. Do you understand? I'm scaring them. Look at their faces. Don't cut it short. Okay, I'm gonna go up to the stop sign, make a right turn, and then that's it. I'm gonna have you go around twice. Blinkers on. Early, signal often. I'm not slamming my brakes. Don't drop my phone. I'm not slamming my brakes. Don't do that, bro. Okay? That was 1,000, bro. That would have been your life. Anyway, I'm looking, I move up. Don't turn real hard. If you turn short, you're gonna hit the curb. Please don't do that. And no standing or parking. You can park after the sign. So I'm gonna park after the sign because you gotta read the rules. Then I put that boy in park. And then we'll put it on the four ways. Go ahead, stop it for me.